Therefore, we're just going to go over the answers for today's maths problem. So the first one says, circle the largest amount in each pair. So this is quite a simple activity. So the first one, we've got 1,590p or 1,950p. So obviously the high value would be this one, so we've got a circle around that. Okay, so the second one is the same again. So we've got 6,777p or 766p. So 6,777, that's the higher value. Again, these two, there's 378p or 387p. We know 387 is the larger value. Now we've moved on to pounds and pence. So we've got £37.48 or £38.74. We know that £38 is more than £37. Same again with this one. Looking at the two numbers, we know that £57 is greater than £54, so therefore £57.94 will be greater. With these two, again, £340, £342. On this one, the pence value is the same, so we know that this one is greater. Looking at these two, 7,450p or 7,540p. We know that 7,500 is greater than 7,450. The next one, we've got 8,005p or 850p, so this one is going to be greater. And the last one, £784 and 64 pence and £487.64. We know that £784.64p will be worth more. Okay. The second question. It says, write the amount as pence and then compare using a comparison symbol. So here we've got 678 pence and £6.40. So we know that to convert pounds into pence, we have to multiply by 100. So therefore this will be 640p. Using our comparison symbols, we know that 678p is greater than 640 pence. Okay, the next one, again to start with, we need to convert this into pence, which I'm going to do now. So from that we know that 392 pence is smaller than or less than 923 pence. The next one, we've got 211p and £2.11, so that will be 211 pence if we converted that by multiplying it by 100. So therefore these two are actually the same, so we'd use the equal sign. The next one, we've got £5 and 8p. Again, if we multiply it by 100, it will give us the value, so we know that it will be 508p. So 508p is less than 588p. Looking at this one, we've got 100p and £1. So multiplying this using our place value chart, if you need to, you'd multiply it by 100. We know that that would make 100p again, so that will be equal to. The next one, we've got £8.37 and 871p. So again, converting it, we know that 837p is less than 871p. Okay, the next questions. So this time it says to write the amount as pounds and then compare using the comparison symbol. So this time we've got to change our pence value into a pounds value. To do that, we need to divide it by 100. So this one will become, so 744p will become £7.44, which means that those two values will be equal. The next one, so we convert that into pounds, we're dividing by 100 again, so that will end up with £1 and 9p. So therefore we know that £1.99 is greater than £1 and 9p. the next one. So we've got £9.50 and 590p. So convert that into pounds, dividing it by 100. We know that £9.50 is greater than £5.90. This one down here. Again, we're going to convert the pence into pounds, dividing it by 100. So we know that £4.39 is less than £9.43. This one, £5.33 when we convert it. So we know that £5.33 is greater than £3.35. This one we got £6.76 and 706p. So we're going to just convert that the same way you've converted the others. So we know that £6.76 is less than £7.06p. Okay, last part. So it says write these prices in order starting with the smallest. Okay, so to do this, we can see here we've got some as p and some as pounds. So if I was you, I'd convert this one that's as p into pounds so that it is similar. So if I was to do that, I have to divide that number by 100, which would make it 0.72. So it'll be then they're all the same. So from this we know that the 27p, so 0.27, as it's displayed here, will be the smallest, followed by the 72p. Then, using our place value, we know that the next one, so it's going to be one of the £2 values here, that's smaller, they're both less than the 7. So we look into the next column there, so this one's got 70p and this one only has 7p. So therefore we know that the next one will be £2.7p. After that it will be £2.70, and the largest value there will be £7.20.